Have you ever found yourself feeling stressed or overwhelmed? One way to alleviate those feelings is to take on a small creative project. A study published in the Journal of Positive Psychology suggests that people who frequently take on small creative projects, like baking or cooking, report feeling more relaxed and happier in their everyday lives. Cooking is not only a useful skill, but it can also have numerous benefits for your mental health. Today we're going to show you how to make the perfect scrambled eggs. Not only are scrambled eggs a delicious and satisfying meal, but cooking them can provide a sense of accomplishment and boost your mood. To start, crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them together until they're well blended. Next, add a splash of milk or cream to make the eggs extra fluffy. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add a pat of butter. Once the butter is melted, pour in the egg mixture and let it sit for a few seconds. Using a spatula, start pushing the eggs from the edges of the pan towards the center. Continue doing this until the eggs are cooked to your liking. There you have it, perfect scrambled eggs. By cooking a meal, we can take control of our own mental health and well-being, as well as experience the benefits and positive emotions that come from enjoying a delicious meal. But why does cooking make us feel good? Cooking engages our senses and can be a form of meditation that allows us to focus on the task at hand and forget about our worries. It's also a way to express creativity and show love to ourselves and others through food. In addition, cooking can provide a sense of accomplishment and self-sufficiency, which can boost our confidence and self-esteem. Plus, when we cook our own meals, we have control over the ingredients we use, allowing us to make healthier choices and support our overall health and well-being. So next time you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, try taking on a small creative project like making scrambled eggs. It may just provide the relaxation and happiness you need in your everyday life.
Thank you for joining us. Now let's dive into the fun of cooking together. And don't forget to join us again for more delicious recipes.